All right, so along with just making everything out of alignment, I punched a hole in the oil pan. That got replaced. Jay replaced that, did a lot of work trying to get the armor plating out of the way so that could be done. Had to cut the exhaust out of the way so the oil pan can be removed. Now that's all in there. It's all going to go back together. Also found a leaky seal on the rear axle, so that's going to be worked on. And up in there, let me see, new radiator fan motor. Everything got pushed to the side. Yeah. So things got bent, dented, broken, holes punched in them. Everything that got boogered up is now either new or unbent. And there was a lot of unbending to be done. So coming along here, starter's gonna go back in. This one looked good. This one was leaking. Axle will be driven off to have new seal put on. And let me see. Eventually, we're going to figure out what's wrong inside this front locker or the differential. Figure out why it's not locking. Okay, I was filming my arm and my hand that whole time. But anyways, so front locker to go. We'll sort that out. Jay, thank you very much.
You're welcome, sir.
All right. I know there's a phone number that'll probably be in the background here. You got a phone number in your shop, Jay? Oh.
Nope, that's not it.
That's not it?
That's it.
That's it.
Yeah.
That's the phone number. Awesome service, awesome work.